Hello students, this is problem number 15 of Engineering Mechanics Statics 9th edition chapter 4. Okay, so in this problem each member of the truss uh, is a uniform bar of 20 feet bar weighing 400 pounds. Calculate the average tension and compression in each member due to the weight of the member. So we will find out force in members due to its self weight. Okay, so first of all we need to draw a free body diagram. I draw is a free body diagram and I show reaction force is this. His support have two reaction force and roller support have only one reaction force, which is this. And this is equilateral triangle. All these three angles are equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle there will be 60 degree in each member, makes 60 degree with each two members. Okay, so first of all we need to divide the force on of a member, divide the force of a member on joints. Okay, for example I divide force. For example, this member have W weight. Okay, weight W. For example, this member have weight of W, and the half weight will come here, and half weight will come here. Okay, so point 5 1 by 2 point 5 weight. Okay, sorry, point 5 W on this point of this member. So 0.5 W of this member, 0.5 W of this member, and 0.5 W of this member on this point, on this point, 0.5 W. Okay, so 1.5 on this member, on this joint, the weight will be 1.5 W, 1.5 W, or 3 by 2 W. Okay, so as I calculate weight on this joint, similarly this joint will also same procedure, like half weight of this of half weight of this member and half weight of this member. The total weight on this member, this joint will W. 0.5 W, 0.5 W, 0.5 W plus 0.5 W equal to W. So 0.5 W, 0.5 W, 0.5 W, 0.5 W. 4 into 0.5 W equal to 2 W. The weight on this joint will be 2 W. Okay. So the weight on this joint will also be only W. 0.5 W, 0.5 W, only W. Okay. So due to the symmetry and symmetrical load and structure, this structure is symmetrical on the basis of their load and also on the basis of its structure, its shape. On both it is symmetrical. That's why sorry, there is more than two unknown forces, like this is unknown force, this is unknown, and this. There is more than two unknown forces. That's why first of all we consider three equation of equilibrium and isolate this whole truss, find reaction forces like AY, AX and CY. After that we will find forces in members by joint method. So summation of moment at point A equal to 0. All the moment at point A equal to 0. So first moment is uh, first uh, moment at point E, which make a moment at fixed point which is A, and make anti-clockwise rotation. So the horizontal length of AE, horizontal length of AE will be here. I call this for example E dash. So this length will equal to AE cos 60 degree equal to E dash. Okay, this length is AE dash. Okay, so AE dash equal to AE cos 60 degree. So load is 3 divided by 2W, 3 divided by 2W multiplied by 20. AE length equal to 20 into cos 60. So 3 divided by 2 cos 60 plus 3 divided by 2, this is load, 3 divided by 2 from here to here, AE cos 60 plus ED 20. This length is 20, this length is also 20. 20 cos 60, this length plus this length. So 20 cos 60 plus 20 plus this horizontal length. Okay, so 3 divided by 2W, 20 cos 60 plus 20 plus 2W plus multiply by 20. Okay, so this is 2W, this force is 2W, 2W into distance is 20, 2W into 20 plus W into 40, this is W, and the distance 20 plus 20 is 40, W into 40 negative, which is this force, reaction force, negative, this goes anti-clockwise rotation, it make anti-clockwise rotation, that's why negative sign here, and distance is 40 and force is Cy, so Cy equal to 0. Okay, so 140 W negative 40 Cy, if you calculate from here to here, it will come 140 W negative 40 Cy equal to 0. So Cy will become 140 into W. W is given in the question, which is 400. W equal to 400. Okay, so 140 into 400 divided by 40. So Cy will equal to 14 pound. Because of its symmetry, Cy is also equal to Ay, which is equal to 1400 pound. So now I take a joint A to find the force in members. So in joint A, I assume that all the forces in each member are in tension. Okay, so and then I resolve this into its component. This AE, this is cos component, and this is sine component, horizontal and vertical component. So summation of all vertical forces, because there is only one unknown vertical force and all other known vertical forces. So summation of all vertical forces equal to 0. So A is sine 60 plus AY negative, which is directed downward, negative W equal to 0. So AE will equal to negative, at the place of AY it is 1400, which is this 1400 pound, plus when I move to the right, it will plus 400 divided by sine 60 it. So AE will become 1154.7 pound. The negative sign show that it is in compression. Okay, so now summation of all horizontal forces on this joint equal to 0. So AE cos 60, which is this AE cos 60, and AB, these two forces, AE cos 60 plus AB equal to 0. AB will equal to AE cos 60 degree. AE value, I replace it by value 1154.70 cos 60. So if you calculate it, AB will become 577.35 kilonewton, which is in tension. So due to its symmetry, AB will equal to AB will equal to BC. Okay, so AB will equal to BC, which is 577.3 pounds. So it is not kilonewton, it is in pound, unit pound. So also this AE is equal to DE. AE is equal to DC. So this is AE equal to DC equal to 1154.70 pound. Okay, it is in comparison. So now I take joint E to find the forces in the remaining members. So first of all I resolve it into its component, and then I assume that these all forces are in tension. Okay, so now I take a equilibrium equation, which is summation of all vertical forces equal to 0. So there is 3 vertical forces, which is this downward 3 divided by 2W, which is 3 divided by 2W, negative 3 divided by 2W, and A is sine 60, negative A is sine 60, and B is sine 60, and it is sine 60. Sine 60 equal to 0. So negative BE will equal to 3 divided by 2W plus AE cos 60 plus AE cos 60, negative B is sin 60. So plus A cos 60 divided by sin 60, which is BE equal to 1.5, 3 divided by 2 equal to 1.5, multiplied by W multiplied by 400 into negative into I remove this negative sign and move here this negative to here the right side. So 154.70 sin 60 divided by sin 60. Okay, so if you calculate it, BE will equal to 461.88 pound, which is in tension. This shows that my assumption was right, it is in tension. So summation of f of x, all horizontal force is equal to 0. So A equals 60 degree, which is this force. This A equals 60 degree, and plus B equals 60 degree. This B equals 60 degree. Negative DE, which is this negative DE, equal to 0. DE will equal to A equals 60, negative B equals 60. So DE will equal to this at the place of AE. I put this value, and BE I put this value. So if you calculate this, DE will equal to negative 808.29 pound in compression. So DE will equal to, due to its symmetry, DE will equal to BD, which is equal to 808.29 pounds, which is in compression. Okay, thank you very much.